It is gonna take a while.
No, go get him a. Hey, go in the Huggy box and get him a straw.
Hey, he need a smaller straw.
Hey, look, man. The trash truck just came by with some fresh juice, as you can see.
Yo,
Tune in.
yo, you can't put it on Facebook. You ain't gonna see it.
I don't give a damn who see it for my money. That's between you. You told me you wouldn't do it. Fresh trash juice. It's like milk, cigarette buds, everything. And my boy, he is taking the challenge to sip it. Come on, dog. It's in the Huggy box. Now you ain't on that.
Fuck all that trash. This is real life. Bitch head up in the walking stone. I walk my straight shooter too, boy.
Ooh, that's a straight shooter.
Get him right. Get him right.
This is a straight shooter, cuz. Straight shooter. Spit that shit out, nigga. Oh, that bitch crazy. Bitch, you is crazy, yo. This bitch crazy, yo. Yo, this bitch is crazy, yo. Give me my money.
He needs all that. Fuck is you talking about? He did that.
Give me my money.
She rockin' burning. You niggas nurse like they keep me hurting. I'm in the way with no burden. Appreciate all the value.
Love is no edit. It's the love.
I ever say Tayon ain't about that bread. Hey, get over. I can't let these niggas get over.
That shit, I can't handle that shit. That shit had me blowing up.
You should have been heard yesterday when that shit
You niggas nurse like they keep me hurting. I'm in the way that I'm burning. Appreciate all the value. Let the blood turn to the value.
That nigga ate the trash juice, man. What is wrong with him, cuz? Shit real in the hood. Tell you about that bread, nigga.
Do anything we gotta do to get it. Anything, I ain't say that.
How much you give you?
Huh?
Don't let that nigga not give you your bread, son.
Y'all said 50.
My 20 was down. He got matching.
But y'all said 50.
I said 50.
I'm about to get right. What you want? What you 25? Where your 5 at? What that?
I ain't got no 5.
Oh, what the hell you mean you ain't? Oh, man. Don't try to put me with that shit. The fuck?